Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my YouTube channel using only AI-powered videos. Let's see if this really works. You're probably here because you're tired of pouring your heart and soul into creating content, only to see it fall flat. You're not alone. Many creators struggle with content creation, consistency, and viewer engagement, which can hinder channel growth. It's like being stuck in a loop, where you create, publish, and wait, but the results just aren't there. The struggle is real. From brainstorming ideas to scripting, filming, and editing, it's a long and tedious process. And even with all that effort, sometimes your videos just don't resonate with your audience. Consistency is key on YouTube, but how can you keep churning out high-quality content week after week? Another challenge is engagement. You might have a solid content strategy, but if you're not connecting with your viewers, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Engagement is what drives growth, and without it, your channel can stagnate. So, what's the solution? The truth is, traditional methods can only take you so far. This is where AI comes in, a game changer for creators looking to boost their channel. You will explore various AI tools that can help with video editing, script writing, and even audience analysis to optimize your channel. These tools can automate tedious tasks, give you fresh ideas, and help you understand your audience better. With AI, you can generate scripts in minutes, not hours. Imagine having more time to focus on what you love, creating content. AI video editing tools can also help you cut down on editing time, making it easier to produce high-quality videos. Plus, AI can analyze your audience's behavior, giving you insights to tailor your content. But that's not all. AI can also help with video ideas, research, and even thumbnail creation. It's like having a team of experts working for you, without the hefty price tag. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to use these tools. Discover the ultimate AI tool that can revolutionize your video production and set your channel apart from the competition. This tool is a total game changer, making it easy to create stunning videos that engage and convert. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to use and the results you'll get. The results are impressive. From increased views to more engagement, AI-powered videos can take your channel to the next level. And the best part? You can achieve this without breaking the bank or spending hours on end editing. It's a no-brainer for creators looking to grow their channel. By leveraging AI, you can create content that resonates with your audience and grows your channel. We've discussed how AI can enhance your video creation process and improve viewer engagement, making your channel more successful. It's time to take your channel to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment below and check out my other videos for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.